In this video, I'm going to show you how to do this glowing text effect in CapCut PC. So first you'll come up here, select text, select default, drag this onto the timeline, and then you can expand the text box. Select the text box and enter your text. And you can select the font. I will select this font called Flexible. Adjust the font size if you wish. And then what you want to do is scroll down, and under glow, just check this box. And then you can choose one of these options. I'll go with the first one. And what you can do is that you could adjust the intensity. So I can lower this intensity. And you could also adjust the range and also lower the range a little bit. And if you want, you can also adjust the Y offset as well as the X offset. I'll leave them at 0. And to make it look more sophisticated, what you can do is come to animation and then add one of the animation. So I will select the fade in animation right here, and then I could turn up the duration to, let's say, to 4 seconds. And this is what it looks like. So that's the in animation. Now, if you want to add an out animation, it's very simple as well. Just select the clip, come to out, and let's do fade out. And if you think this is too short or too quick, what you can do is select this and increase the duration for the out animation to, let's say, to 4 seconds, and then this is what it looks like. So that's it for this video. That's how you add the glowing text effect in CapCut PC.